PS11, Police Captain Ariel S. Cabandong. So ahora, llaman kita con el representative from City Mayor's Office, Mr. Elmer Tadeo, para dali ka na yung mensahe.
Buenas tardes, Canato todo, en calor del amable y honorable alcalde Kimer Colasso. No hay ahora, pero aquí suyo representante, si Elmer Tadeo. Pide a ustedes la corazón de mayor, si tienen ustedes necesita favor, anda la oficina de mayor, pide abierto para con todo, busca conmigo. Elmer Tadeo kami na office of the city mayor. Anything that you need, come over, I assist kita con ustedes. First of all, allow me to deliver the message of our beloved City Mayor, the Honorable Kimer Adanti Olaso Esquilar. Muy buenas tardes to the vibrant and united community of Barangay Santo Niño, our barangay officials, community leaders, and dear residents. It is a great honor to be with you today as we gather for the first semester Barangay Assembly Day 2026. This assembly reflects the spirit of democracy, where people come together, participate, and take ownership of the future of their community. Your team, nagkakaisang barangay tungo sa kalinisan, kaayusahan, kapayapaan at kaunlaran, is both timely and powerful. It reminds us that progress we seek begins with unity. Unity that transforms intention into action and vision into reality. Barangay Santo Niño continues to grow and thrive, essential in ensuring that every resident feels safe and protected. Let us continue to support our barangay officials and law enforcement in maintaining peace and order. When we follow rules and act responsibly, we create an environment where progress can flourish. Peace is the cornerstone of development. It is built through respect, understanding, and unity. Let us continue to foster strong relationships among neighbors, resolve conflicts peacefully, and promote harmony in our daily lives. And most importantly, development. Our vision is clear. A Barangay Santo Niño where opportunities are accessible, service are reliable, and every family benefits from progress. Your city government is committed to improving infrastructure, strengthening health and education services, and creating livelihood opportunities. But development is not achieved by government alone. It is achieved through partnership with the people. Con ustedes todo. To the residents of Santo Niño, your participation is vital. Your voice, your actions, and your commitment will shape the future of your barangay. Every small effort contributes to a great impact. As City Mayor, I assure you that we will continue to stand beside you, listening, supporting, and working hand in hand to achieve your shared goals. Let us move forward together, united in purpose, strong in spirit, and committed to progress. Together, hunto-hunto kita, let us build a Barangay Santo Niño that is clean, orderly, peaceful, and progressive. A community we can all be proud of. En calor del amable y honorable alcalde Kimer Adanti Olaso, muchísimas gracias y otra vez muy buenas tardes a todos. Thank you everyone for being here today. Thank you everybody. municipal ko. Kunyagi aton persona tamanehan kunyagi aton level aki si Sir Edwino Marquez, si Sir Badu. Muchas gracias otra vez. Gracias.
So ahora llama kita con el representative from CSWDO. So, dapat kita ahora con Ma'am Laxmi A. Loon para dali ka natin inspirational message.
Buenas tardes con todo con ustedes. Y antes de todo, quiero rendir gracias con el de aton honorable Barangay Chairman, si Honorable Rogelio S. Miranda, and of course to the entire Barangay Councils of Barangay Santo Niño. Good afternoon, everyone. And hindi kita ulita kung na the aton distinguished guests from the City Mayor's Office and other executive assistant, the Mayor, si Sir Elmer Tadeo. Good afternoon, sir. Di alo demás mga distinguished guests sa Polkaya, yung una niya kanaton. And at the aton baker worker, Tati Awa, si Normaline. Please raise your hand. Good afternoon. And of course, hindi ka kita ulita, the aton mga sectoral organizations na recently ka, nepo lang yan, yan on taking and organized. Thank you so much, Kap. A blessed afternoon to each and everyone. Pursuant to the programs for vulnerable sectors, in line with the Republic Act number 7160, the City Social Welfare and Development Office is designated as the lead agency in organizing, strengthening, and mobilizing accreditation, monitoring, evaluating sectoral groups to ensure the participation in governance and access to services, provide technical and administrative support, including but not limited to women, solo parents, senior citizens. Good afternoon, Constable Toto. Kanya Presidente Ana, please raise your hand. Senior, hi, hello, and congratulations. And that newly elected President of the Senior Citizens Organization of Barangay Santo Niño. And of course, ang datong persons with disabilities, okay, Aki, ang datong Presidente. Hi, hello, good afternoon. Children and youth. Other vulnerable and disadvantaged sectors. And we make sure that these sectors are organized, access to support they need. We also encourage to actively participate in your respective sectoral organizations. Being part of these groups is not only about receiving assistance, but also about having voice in planning, decision-making, and community development. The strength of the barangay lies in unity, compassion, partnership, and active participation. With your continued support and cooperation, we can further strengthen our programs and bring services closer to every constituent here in Barangay Santo Niño. Muchísimas gracias, and we look forward to your active partnership in building a more progressive, inclusive, and caring barangay of Santo Niño. Manayudahan kita todo para na progreso na di atong beautiful barangay Santo Niño. Muchísimas gracias a todos.
So, thank you, Ma'am Laxmi, for the wonderful message. To start the second part of our Barangay Assembly Day, may we call back again to our Punong Barangay, Cap Rogelio S. Miranda, to give his State of Barangay Address. Round of applause, please.
Buenas tardes ulit, buenas tardes. Alegre kay Takiro ustedes todo sa atender ang asamblea. It shows that ustedes participa ngayon mga barangay o mga programa ng barangay. Diyan kayo ustedes interest para yung barangay ay progresa. Siguro araw na to, namin report. Before that, announcement at kinajapon uno SK Kagawa Enfermo. Ang kabaran nana antes kapilis ayuda. Opera Alicio anak. Hopefully, kapili ka na itong pabor ay pasa kami brown envelope, any amount will do. 5 peso, whatever kasi sabi yun, ICU na only 60,000. Kaya doctor's fee around 100,000. At kapili ka nila ayuda. Kapili pabor, kay may sila send para pauta. Na hopefully, kapili ka na ito, magpapasal, at from envelope, at the same time, dali yung report. Okay, mga understanders, pwede, ayuda, kahit napong ka SK Katawa, si Mungta, pwede si Corazon, kaya tao, dati si Kosa na that stage cancer, something like that, makalastima. Yata katato na tapos yung ayuda. Hopefully, pwede. Manda yung staff, pasa envelope, pasit on, bin, ayuda daw bin, mga bin. Ken bin, penaki ayuda. Pasa, envelope. Penaki bin, kenman bin, penaki. Pasa envelope at the same time that the report, appelia advance, gracias con ustedes. Muchas gracias con ustedes. If we have parents and relatives that would SK Kagawa, thank you kayo. Thank you very much. Okay. O sa Tamanda, LDILG, o sa Barangay Asera, suspended for the second semester of calendar year 2025. Ma'am Eleanor, Yaton for 2026 is 8.6 million. Unitarian share of real property tax is 450,000. The national tax allotment at IRA 7.5 million. Kolekta na sedula mga 10,000. Ang subsidy padali city government 500,000. Nag-generate the certification, kasi kita ng mga business, mga tricycles, 5,000, 5,000. Generate na kolekta kita ng coverage fee, anapuntakan sa city, 200,000. Ang Japon income todo,